the Apple dance from Charlie XCX. So that is currently dominating my entire For You page.
Yeah, it's literally everywhere.
Yeah.
Like we're seeing everyone from literally the U.S. women's rugby team to Stephen Colbert doing that Apple dance.
Yes. It's a brat summer.
It's a brat summer. Hashtag brat summer. But most likely, come October, our For You pages will probably look entirely different, which brings me to one key point that not all trends are created equal. And those aren't my words, they're actually TikTok's. So let's take a few steps back. What do we mean when we say trend? The term is often associated with popular videos and audio clips, but trend can also refer to something as big as a change in shopping behavior or how we consume content. Being a platform built on trends, TikTok tracks trends at different speeds and sizes to give a more comprehensive understanding of the culture and creativity on the platform. To help marketers understand what's trending today versus what's going to be on trend for the foreseeable future, TikTok created a speeds of culture methodology. This framework categorizes trends into 3 groups based on their lifespan and cultural impact. So let's start with a category with the shortest lifespan, trend moments. So trend moments are creative prompts that quickly gain traction and buzz. Going back to last summer, do y'all remember when everyone was just like obsessed with being a tomato girl? Like where did that come from? Or then last fall, for a few weeks, everyone was posting their mob wife aesthetic. Like, again, where does this come from? And these trend moments also aren't limited to the fashion and beauty space. This is going way back, but there was a brief period in 2020 when, for whatever reason, maybe it was stir craziness from COVID, unsure, but we all decided to make pancake cereal with actual pancakes. Like, clearly we had more time back then. But what I'm trying to illustrate here is that trend moments can blow up fast and seemingly be everywhere. But as we're not talking about any of these trends today, they're definitely short-lived. From a brand perspective, joining a trend moment can be rewarding, but it can also be risky. While it may show your audience you're plugged into TikTok and internet culture, content typically won't have a long shelf life and can get stale fast.